Welcome guys, today I will show you how to update software on POCO F8 Ultra. So, open the Settings app, go to the About Phone chapter, here tap on Xiaomi HyperOS logo, this one. Now wait for a while and see the communication. In my case, I have no updates to download and install. If you will see some new updates, you will be able to simply click install, download before and then install on your device. So, in this part, you will find all available updates for your Xiaomi HyperOS on POCO F8 Ultra. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.